Hi there guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this month we are covering a St. Patrick's Day related tutorial for my favorite St. Patrick's Day treat, the Shamrock Shake, that is available at McDonald's. Now if you ask me, it's the most wonderful time of the year for that reason, and who can't help but be inspired by this nice minty green color. So let's get started. For this one, we're starting with a fresh face. Taking a large stipple brush and Ben Nye's water-based paint in teal, I'm covering my face, ears, and neck. It can be a little patchy because of what we're about to do next. Now you'll take a bright green eyeshadow and using the same brush, stipple it all over to make you a more complete shade of green. Here I use Kat Von D's Vinyl. Here's where we'll contour and highlight. Using a dark green like Kat Von D's Misfit, contour along your cheeks, temples, upper chin, nose, jawline, and Cupid's bow. Don't forget those collarbones either. For a highlight, I'm using Bella Pierre's Silvery White Highlighting Powder. I'm applying it to my upper cheeks, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead. Now I'm adding a very pigmented green shadow like Urban Decay's Hatter all over my eyelid and under eye. Next, take a shimmery red like Urban Decay's Salison Grum and place it on the outer corner of your eyelids, as well as the outside half of your under eye. Place a gold eyeshadow on the inner corner of your eyes. Here I filled in my eyebrows with a darker green, Kat Von D's Lemmy to be exact. Use that same gold shadow from before to act as the highlight to your brow bone. Add your favorite mascara and a red lip. Here I'm using NYX's Kitten Heels. Using Mehron's Paradise Paint in green and a small detail brush, I am adding Shamrocks in various sizes along my neck and shoulders. I also added one just under my right eye. Using white Paradise paint, I gave the Shamrock some dimension. Using a mild makeup adhesive, I then added some foiled glitter from the craft store around the Shamrocks to make them pop. Last but not least, don't forget that whipped cream hat. They're super simple to make. Well, here you have it. Here is our finished look. Like I said, this was super simple to make, probably less than $10 at your local Michael's or craft store. I used some craft foam, some craft felt in white, and then bought a little pack of these little red pom-poms as well. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. I hope you have a fantastic St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you next month. Bye!